thank you so much for watching this course, and congratulations, you have completed this course and learned many skill set. Through the entire course, we have learned all about why online is important to teaching and confidence is more important. And video, audio, and connecting with the people, communication is more importantly. And you have committed to create your own course and teaching online and number of platforms of social media. And if you need any help, you can contact me. My name is Ali Riza Pajwari, your trainer of this course. And Rehan Foundation, as founder, Rehan Alawala, you can connect there. And we have number of more courses has delivered you and already in stream. And we are more committed to give you courses on Rabia, YouTube, a teachable platform. So why you are waiting for? Just create your own course, teach it to the people, and comment below and follow our social media links and connect us. Create your own course, experience different learning. So I'm very excited to create another course which you are demanding, and I'm waiting for your comments and your learning. If you are still not confident, I suggest you keep practice and keep connect me and connect other people and expand your network. When you expand your network and learning from the other peoples, they teach you a different and they match to your learning pace and help you, because we have a good network and good pace of thing. And life is something amazing, learning, relearning, and unlearn, and again learning, and implementation, development, and expand on something important. And everybody is struggling for every day of life and journey of thousands and billions. And even we are overthinking of sometimes, but do not overthink, just do it yourself every day. If you're not doing after this course, action, take this advantage of knowledge and wisdom, which I experience and sharing my confidence to you and teaching online experience. So this is not going to help you. You have to commit and complete the action and prove yourself that you are the best creation of human being in this world, and you are helping and creating impact in society. So I hope you will be doing your best efforts to doing best of result. Enjoy more courses and this courses too. Thank you so much for a wonderful, I enjoy a lot of energy to share in this course. Thank you. Bye-bye.